Within the next 2.5 years, the objective of the Jamaica Rugby Football Union for the women's program is to win Rugby America's North Round Sevens tournament and qualify for the 2028 Olympic Games.
The Lady Crocs are two-time runners-up for the Round Sevens tournament after going down to Mexico in the final in 2024 and earlier this year. At this year's tournament in Trinidad and Tobago, they lost only one game, and that was the final. And for Coach Huntley Anderson, the squad has gelled well over the years.
We had an awesome tournament, and I'm very proud of the 13 females, while we have a dynamic setup coming from Jamaica, Canada, US, and the UK. The ladies have been locked in for the last 10 years.
Anderson says the squad has depth and he's grateful for the help they have gotten to reach this far.
When you have 12 players of the 13 that is on the score sheet, with 2 or more tries, no other team in Jamaica history would have done that. They are history makers. 12 of those players would have scored 2 or more tries. And for each of those players, they never see it, they never believe in it. But, they are a strong team, and it is something for us to build on. This is the platform, what it is that we would have had. We have to really, thank Jamaica Olympic Association, because they would have done their bit in terms of allowing for us to get the necessary sponsorship, to push us in terms of qualifying for the CAC Games.
He's also thanking the JRFU for providing him with the players he asked for, and the goal for Round Sevens next year is to go one better.
The technical director and his team would have done enough in order to provide me the best athletes that are there. It is just to keep the athletes accountable. We have to now do what it is that we have to do from, the Jamaica Rugby Football Union to ensure that we get them into consistent competitions before we return to Rugby America's North next year, November.
And after qualifying for the 2026 CAC Games, the vision is to reach the biggest stage in the world of sports.
We are just priming the machine so that by time 2027, we are ready to qualify for the Olympics 2028. That is our major push.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.